If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Update Encryption utility in Sage 50 re-encrypts the sensitive information within your company file. You only need to run this utility if you think this information has been compromised or on the recommendation of a Sage 50 customer support specialist. Before running the Update Encryption utility in Sage 50, you must ensure all other users have exited the company file. To run the Update Encryption utility in Sage 50 Accounting, select File, Update Encryption from the menu bar to open the Update Encryption dialog box. Then, click the Start button within this dialog box to begin the process. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your company file. The dialog box disappears automatically when it is finished. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.